Hey guys, guess what? Wendy just learned another trick today.
I learned about splatter shield.
Or splash guard.
Yeah, yes, that thing. So apparently when you're frying, you know how sometimes when you're frying and you put objects that
Yeah, they tend to splatter.
yes, you can put this on top of your pan like that, and that will prevent the oil from
Splashing
splashing
back
in your
on you.
face. You know, that you'll have your oil burns and stuff like that. So this is very handy and apparently it's cheap. Jody, where did you buy the thing?
I bought it at Pick and Pay and I paid about 30 bucks for it. So it's very quick, very easy, very cheap, and it saves you from getting burned anywhere from any splashes of water or fish or whatever you're frying. So watch out and we'll show you how it's done.
So basically, I was today years old again and
Okay.
discovered a splatter guard.
So there you have it, quick and easy splatter guard to prevent yourself from burning while Wendy's eating. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, tell us what else you'd like to learn, and we're saying goodbye to Wendy for a short while. She'll be back soon. So thanks guys.
Splash guard, subscribe.
Sweet guys.